Guys, oh. Kwento.
Hi! We're here at
Where are we?
Mirador Bamboo Forest. We
Wow.
are the family
Pedong.
Pedong!
Atelano and Pedong. Bakit di ka kasali?
There's a snail.
Di kasali si Daddy.
Oh!
Oh. Oh, okay. Sige, Ken. Stand up, Ken. There's a lot of bamboo. Ken. Grabe mesti. 1, 2, 3. Grabe mo mesti, Ken.
Go down.
What are we doing here, Ken?
The royal family Pedong.
Royal family.
And the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
We are the royal
Oh.
family Pedong.
Yes.
Atilano Pedong.
Okay. Atilano
We
Pedong.
are the royal family Pedong.
Atilano Pedong. Go.
Okay na.
We are the Atilano Pedong family.
The royal daw.
No. Mama. I want to watch
Oh, wow.
Minecraft.
So, royal means rich?
Mama, I want to watch TV na Minecraft.
Okay, later.
Oh, look at that. There's a lot of bamboo. What kind of bamboo?
Ang lagalit ka abaw, El Grande Grande.
Hindi, sa picture ning Takeda Grande. Pero kung sa personal, jutay lang le.
Kasi na nagkakere bamboo, kaya hindi nila daw bentasang.
Tanom na ka.
Gaya kita.
Siyempre ya. Ken. Aya, tell what are we doing ya? We're in the royal family.
Wow! Atilano Pedong. Atilano Pedong. Pedong.
Oh, tell na what are we doing here?
Okay, vlogging, we're vlogging.
We're vlogging ya.
Look at the video, the camera.
Where are we going? What
We
are we
are?
doing?
We are exploring. Oh my God, si Ken explode.
What are we
We're
doing?
exploring the what?
That forest.
The forest.
That bamboo forest. Where? Hi vlogger.
Naman lang kore ha, hinay lang, watch your step lang. You can do it ate. So, look kanya ng camera di daddy.
Sige na. Tell something.
Hello vlog. We are at the bamboo forest. Vlog. Wait, Mama.
In Baguio City. Oh, let's go down. Let's go down na yun.